How to add video icon on Facebook shortcut bar. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And as you can see, the video or the watch icon is missing from the shortcut bar. So in order for you to add it there, just click on the three lines at the top right, then go to your settings, and here scroll down to the preferences section, and then click on shortcuts, then click on shortcut bar. And here in the available shortcuts section, you can see the watch icon with a drop down menu next to it, so click on it, and from these options select pin to keep this shortcut in your navigation bar. Once the shortcut has been pinned, you need to close Facebook and then go ahead and reopen it again. And as you can see, the video or the watch icon has been added to the shortcut. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add the watch shortcut or the watch icon in the Facebook shortcut bar. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.